people itself. How is it that 10 people with police protection there, if they are allowed to light that lamp, how is that going to violate law and order is a question that BJP is asking.
Madhav, good evening. And R.P. Singh, the BJP spokesperson, I think he reads lot of WhatsApp forwards and WhatsApp messages. So he believes in WhatsApp universities. So that is the reason he is coming out with a story which doesn't exist or doesn't even have any kind of locus standi among the people of Tamil Nadu or even Tirupurankundram. See, let us understand this issue on merits. See, I have nothing personal against the judge. With due respect and regard, the Honorable Judge has, with his wisdom, has taken a stand. My point, my humble submission to this whole panel and the others, viewers of your channel, I would say, I appreciate the judge for being strong, whatever ideology he follows. I really applaud him by saying that he is a man with conviction. He has the courage. He has the real tough mindset to propagate what he believes and what is his ideology. All this as an individual, as a lawyer, he is entitled. But when you take the oath as a judge of a Honorable High Court, you have to follow the oath, you have to follow the Constitution. You cannot violate the Constitution. You should not discriminate. You cannot make any unsolicited, biased, religious or any caste, creed comment which is going to create unrest in the minds of the general public and common man. See, here the judge in discussion, in conversation in this debate, has not only made an observation, he has passed it in his order by quoting Jesus Christ when he was crucified in the cross. He says, I am not here to throw up my hands and say, oh God, save them.
May I ask you a simple question, C. Rajshekharan? You have mentioned a long sermon you have given. As per what my knowledge is, in Article 124 and 217 of the Constitution, which has the provisions for the removal of a judge of the High Court or Supreme Court, there has to be two grounds, either proved misbehavior or incapacity. Where is that proved misbehavior or incapacity that this judge has demonstrated? I'm sorry, we're not able to hear you, Rajshekharan. You have to come again.
The impeachment motion moved against the judge doesn't have any connection to the Tirupurankundram Hill judgment.
So why are they moving?
Point number one.
So why are they moving impeachment?
No.
Why are they moving impeachment to just less than a week after that judgment?
No.
Mr. Rajshekharan, you do not listen to his judgment. He sends the police again the state government does not listen to him. Then a division bench gives an order. Again, you don't listen to the division bench and you approach Supreme Court. And then you go to the parliament with an impeachment motion and you say this is not connected. Come on.
Please allow me. 1 minute. Don't interject me and heckle me. See, this impeachment motion has nothing to do with the order which he passed in the Tirupurankundram Hill issue. Because
so the timing is just a coincidence. Timing is merely a coincidence according to you. There is no connection at all. Mr. Rajshekharan, come on. The people of this country are watching this. People will look at the connection. They are smart enough to understand what is happening. Since you have a very poor audio line, in any case, I'm going to take that question across to Anurag Naidu. There is no connection at all. And in fact, the DMK will say that we have complained about this judge in the past as well. But the speed with which the events have taken place this week, many are going to question, can you really say that the entire matter is disconnected?
No, Madhav, in this particular case, the High Court admonished the state government several times. It's not once. And Madhav, the issue is not really about politics. It's about the rule of law. If the court orders are ignored today for a festival, tomorrow they can be ignored for citizen rights. Where do the citizens go, Madhav? Whether it is Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai, you would go to the court of law to seek justice. And if you are symbolic, and also we understand that they cannot impeach, but just to move a motion is in itself a very mischievous act. And what kind of message are you sending? Is that if you don't like a judge, if you don't like a judgment, you are going to symbolically bring all the parties around, gag them up, and then say you're going to be impeached. And and what kind of message you're sending the judiciary. And I believe this intent itself, and also, Madhu, let's understand, Are these people the India Alliance coming together because there is an upcoming election? They want to support their regional ally, who essentially, quote unquote, a lot of people say that do not believe in the philosophy of the Hinduism or Sanatana Dharma, to be very precise. And is it Sanatan versus India Alliance? So we have to understand, if it is Sanatan versus India Alliance, let's debate that, Madhav. Why to bring judiciary? Why to personally bring a particular judge, personally defame him, personally call names, and put all the allegations possible? Now, you read out very beautifully, Madhav. You said these are only 2 grounds where you can impeach a judge. So now they're trying to stitch up stories against these 2 points, not talking about the judgment. The judgment is repeatedly called give a protection. This is about the faith of a certain section of people. Where will the citizens go, Madhav? Where will you and me go? Tomorrow they can come after yours and my right.
No, it is a simple question. It is a simple question. I think, when you say that this is more about rule of law than anything else, I want to ask Kishore Tiwari. Kishore Tiwari ji, court ek judgment deti hai, the state government refuses to implement it. Then they give another judgment, they ask for police protection, again that is not implemented. Then they say it's for CISF cover, and that is not implemented. The division bench also upholds that. The point is the orders of the court are not being listened to. They are being appealed in the Supreme Court. But the Supreme Court has not stayed those orders of the lower court or of the high court. The big question is that even before Supreme Court has decided, you are deciding to hold this judge guilty by impeaching him. What is the message that is being sought to be sent, sir?
माधव दास, बहुत दिन के बाद हम मिल रहे, और एक अच्छी बात है कि आपने मुझे मौका दिया। आरपी सिंह और अनुराग, मैं एक बात बताना चाहता हूं कि हमने दीप प्रज्वलन के मैटर पर यह हस्ताक्षर नहीं किए हैं। हमने जो हस्ताक्षर किए थे, जो इम्पीचमेंट मोशन हमें लाके बताया गया था, उस इम्पीचमेंट मोशन के अंदर उनके जो हमारे जीआर स्वामीनाथन जी है, इनके बिहेवियर पे था कि ये अदर रिलीजन को क्रिटिसाइज करते हैं। इनका जो बिहेवियर है, कौन सा
क्रिटिसिज्म बताइए?
अरे भाई,
आप जरा बताइए कौन सा इंस्टेंस है? आपने साइन किया है, देखिए थोड़ा सा तो आपने भी थोड़ा सा इस पे विवरण किया होगा, अध्याय किया होगा, कहां पे क्या बोला इन्होंने।
ये देखो इसमें है ना, इनमें इंटीग्रिटी नहीं है, पार्टीशन है, ये एक स्पेसिफिक पार्टी को फेवर करते हैं और ये आरएसएस माइंडेड है, ये सब कुछ लिखा हुआ है।
ये आरोप है,
लेकिन
आपने कभी अपना माइंड अप्लाई किया, रिसर्च किया कि क्या ऐसे गलती किया उन्होंने,